Is your Samsung phone stuck on the logo screen during startup? Unable to boot properly? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the possible causes of this issue and walk you through 9 effective solutions to fix it. Let's get started. Part 1. Why is my Samsung phone stuck on the startup screen? Software glitches or corrupted files or failed updates, incompatible apps or low storage or malware or hardware damage. Part 2 to 9 ways to fix Samsung Galaxy stuck on logo. Way 1. Reinsert the battery. Way 2. Charge your Samsung device. Way 3. Soft reset your mobile. Way 4. Put Samsung into safe mode. Way 5. Boot Samsung into recovery mode. Way 6. Factory reset Samsung. Way 7. Utilize Samsung KEIS. Way 8. Contact Samsung support. Part 3. Fix Samsung stuck on logo. Expertly high success rate, with various causes for a Samsung device staying on the logo screen. Listing all solutions is impractical. However, a professional tool like Android Repair is highly effective for quickly resolving these issues. Step 1. Opt for System Repair. Begin by installing and launching Android Repair on your computer. Once the program is open, click on System Repair and connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Go for Android Repair from the left-hand panel. Select Android Repair. The software will display a list of issues it can address. Review the options and click Start to proceed. Step 3. Enter relevant info. Enter the required information about your device in the prompted window and click Next to move forward. Type 00000 into the designated field and press Confirm. Please be aware that using Android Repair may result in data loss on your phone. Step 4. Boot Samsung into download mode. Case 1. For Samsung devices with the Home button, power off the device. Then simultaneously press the Sprint, Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for approximately 10 seconds. Release all buttons and press Volume Up to access download mode. Case 2. For Samsung devices without a home button, optional, turn off the device. Then press and hold the Power, Bixby, and Volume Down buttons for about 10 seconds. Release all buttons and then press Volume Up. Step 5. Download firmware for repair. Once the device is in download mode, click Next to initiate the firmware download for your device. Finally, the program will automatically commence the repair of your phone system.